Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the second monitor connected and powered. Now open the display settings to begin. On Windows, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, then Displays. Once done, detect displays if the second monitor is not shown, and make sure you know which screen is labeled 1 or 2 so you can target it. You will start by selecting the secondary display in the list. This ensures any resolution changes apply to the correct monitor. With the second monitor selected, choose the recommended or native resolution first because that preserves clarity. If text or UI elements are too large or small, change scaling to 100, 125, or 150% as appropriate. Make sure to apply and confirm changes. For non-standard resolutions, open your Graphics Control Panel, NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD Radeon Settings, or Intel Graphics Command Center to create a custom resolution and refresh rate. Once applied, verify the image is sharp and apply the final settings and test by playing a full-screen video or comparing a high-resolution image to confirm clarity and scaling. If options were limited or odd, update your graphics drivers and restart the system. Outdated drivers often hide resolutions. If problems remain, inspect the cable and any adapter. Some adapters limit bandwidth and maximum resolution. Then check the monitor's on-screen menu for input and scaling options. If you still see artifacts or no signal, swap cables or try the monitor on another computer to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.